Hi, this video is about soaking our grains, nuts and seeds. We have forgotten to soak our grains, nuts and seeds. Our ancestors and people of bygone era all used to soak or ferment or treat their grains, nuts and seeds in some way before they ate them. In our time rush society, we're not doing that now, and we're really doing ourselves a major disservice, and it's not really hard to do, it's easy to do. Why should we do it? Grains, nuts and seeds contain what we call anti-nutrients, mainly phytic acid, and if you have a diet that's got a lot of phytic acid in it, potentially what it can do two things. It can actually harm the lining of your intestines, making it more permeable, or it can actually block the absorption of really important minerals, particularly iron, zinc, and calcium. So they're two main reasons why we actually need to get those anti-nutrients or the phytic acid out of the grains. Okay, so let's look at how to do it. Here I have a glass bowl and I've put in a cup of quinoa and I've put in some warm water, so you can see that the quinoa goes to about here and the warm water comes to about here. I've also added 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, or you can use lemon juice. We use the warm water because what we want to do is we want to try and activate the grain, nut or seed, and the lemon juice, being an acid, helps to also activate it. So the phytic acid starts to break down. We need to leave this soaking for about 7 hours, the quinoa, and it really does depend on the grain, nut or seed that you're soaking as to how much time you soak them for. They all have different times, but the process is very similar. It's just warm water, a little bit of some type of activator, an acid activator like lemon juice or apple cider vinegar, and that will break down the phytic acid. And if you leave this, you can already start to see that it's actually starting to, this little brown colour starting to form. That is the phytic acid that's coming out of the quinoa or the rice or whatever you're soaking. And normally, if you don't soak it, you would be consuming that. So if you've got some problems that you're not on top of and you don't know why, perhaps it's gas or bloating or pain or IBS or autoimmune disease, it could be a number of things. It really could be, if you're eating a lot of grains, nuts and seeds, and you're not soaking them, this could be causing, the unsoaked consumption of nuts, grains and seeds could be causing your symptoms. So it really is an easy thing to do. You've just got to think ahead. If you know that you're going to be needing quinoa tomorrow or rice tomorrow or nuts or seeds tomorrow, soak them the day before. A bit of warm water, a little bit of lemon juice. I'll cover this. And then what I'll do is, when I'm finished, I will rinse it and then cook it as per normal. It won't take as long to cook. In fact, that's one of the benefits. It takes a really short amount of time to cook. And it actually tastes nicer. You've got the natural taste. You don't have that phytic acid, bitter taste to it. So I really recommend that everybody start to do this for the benefit of their health. Thank you. I'm Chenelle Hitchcock, author of Proven Steps to a Calmer, Happier, Healthier You.